how to fix a humidifier. So, if you use your house water, it might break because salt and cinnamon might go in right here of the plate. That's the plate. And it will start breaking the humidifier. If you use your house water, like I said, it will break. But you should use, if you don't want that to happen, you should use the water that you get from the store. Stores water every single day. It will get all your monies. But if you can use your house water too, because it will be fixed simply. So my dad got these plates, $7 and they're 5 plates. And you can, if the humidifier's plates broke his own plate, you can easily replace these new plates on it. Now I'm gonna show how to remove the pieces of the humidifier to put the new plates on. You should open this up and put it to the side. Now you flip it upside down like this, and you get one of these, and you open up these. Okay, so that's done. Okay. Ooh, I took it off. Okay, so now it's time for these. I should open these up. You pick this up, and here's the broken part. So we're gonna replace this part on this. So this is the old one, but this is the new one. So you see this red part over here? You put it right over here to the next to the light, and this is called a wire, and you put it up here, just like this. Just like that. Okay, then twist it around. Twist it around. Twist it. Twist it. Twist it. Ah! Twist it. Twist it. So when you stick the two wires together, we put on the new plate.